Have you ever felt stuck in a loop, repeating habits you wish you could break? I'm here to tell you, it's not just possible to break them. It's absolutely doable with the right approach. First, identify the core of your habit. What triggers it? Is it stress, boredom, or something else? Understanding this is half the battle won. Now let's replace the old with the new. Find a positive habit to replace the negative one. If you reach for junk food when stressed, how about a walk instead, or maybe a few minutes of meditation? It's all about redirection. Consistency is your new best friend. Practice your new habit until it becomes second nature. Remember, it takes about 21 days to form a habit, so give yourself time and be patient with your progress. And here's a secret. Visualize your success. Imagine yourself free from the grips of your old habits. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's a powerful tool that aligns your brain with your goals. Lastly, don't go it alone. Share your journey with friends or a support group. Accountability can significantly boost your chances of success. Before you know it, you'll look back and realize you've not only broken a habit, but you've transformed a part of your life. And remember, every small victory is a step towards a happier, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Together, let's unlock the divine potential within each of us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.